Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have two Py files. Start by placing them in the same directory or add the folder to Python path so Python can find the module. Next, ensure the file you will import has functions or classes and not top-level execution code. Wrap runnable code in if name == main. Once done, in the main file write import module or from module import name. This gives you direct access to the code you need. Now wire the pieces. Call functions using module. Function, or if you used from module import name, call name directly. Make sure to resolve naming conflicts by importing with an alias. For example, import module as mod, so you avoid accidental overrides. Once you have multiple interdependent files, reorganize shared helpers into a single utilities module to keep dependencies clear. Also, be mindful of circular imports. Restructure, finish by running the main file and verifying behavior. If you see import error, check file names, folder structure, and whether you need an init. Py for older package styles. If execution context matters, run with Python M package. Module to ensure correct package relative imports and print sys. Path to inspect lookup locations. If things still break, move the import inside the function that uses it, and add a simple unit test for the imported function, so you can iterate quickly and catch integration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.